Ready to take your Webflow website from static to stunning with the power of GSAP. First, let's add GSAP to our Webflow project. Go to Project Settings, then navigate to the Custom Code tab here. In the Head Code section, paste the GSAP CDN link. I'll put the link in the description for you. This imports the GSAP library into your project. Next, select the element you want to animate. Open the Interactions panel on the right-hand side. We're going to create a new element trigger or page trigger, depending on when you want the animation to happen. Now, create a custom animation. This opens up the Webflow animation timeline. Here's where the magic happens. Click the plus icon to add a new animation action. Choose GSAP from the animation types. In the GSAP settings, you can control all sorts of properties. Set the duration, the delay before the animation starts, and the easing function, which controls the animation's speed and style. Experiment with different easing options to find what looks best. You can also change the X and Y positions, rotation, scale, and opacity to create unique effects. For more complex animations, you can even copy and paste GSAP code snippets directly into the code editor within the GSAP animation settings. This allows for total control over your animations. Finally, preview your changes to see the animation in action. Fine-tune the settings until you're happy with the result. Don't be afraid to experiment and push the boundaries of what's possible. Remember, GSAP offers endless possibilities for creating engaging user experiences. Use it for scroll animations, parallax effects, interactive components, and much more. Now you're ready to create captivating Webflow websites with GSAP. Like this tutorial, subscribe for more Webflow tips and tricks.